If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Let's start to make Zinger Chicken Popcorns. 750-gram chicken cubs, 3 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1/4 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, half tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon mustard powder, 4 tablespoon milk. Mix it well. Leave for 2 hours. After 2 hours, take a cube, then add into flour. Cover with flour. Then add into cold water. Again, add into flour. Again, fold into flour like this. Again, same process. Enough cooking oil. Add one by one on high flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, turn it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please share your opinion into comment section. Stay connected.